Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that brings a delightful touch of nostalgia and practicality to any home or workspace, the Vintage Label Maker. This isn't just another gadget. It's a charming piece of functional design, specifically the black ABS model, designed for anyone who appreciates a tactile, old-school approach to organization and DIY projects. Right out of the box, its aesthetic immediately stands out. The black finish gives it a classic, understated elegance that truly lives up to its vintage moniker. It feels sturdy and well-built, thanks to its ABS construction, suggesting it's made to last, unlike some flimsier modern alternatives. Holding it, one immediately notices its ergonomic design, crafted for comfortable, one-hand operation. This is a significant plus, especially when tackling multiple labeling tasks around the house or workshop. The core function, of course, is embossing, and this label maker excels at it. The mechanism is straightforward and satisfying. Users simply dial in the desired letter or number, squeeze the handle, and a perfectly raised, clear character is pressed onto the label tape. The clarity of the embossed numbers and letters is impressive. They pop out distinctly, making labels easy to read from a distance. This clear definition is crucial for effective organization, ensuring that everything from spice jars to toolboxes is clearly identified. What makes this particular label maker so appealing for DIY enthusiasts is its simplicity and the unique texture it adds. There are no batteries to worry about, no complex menus, just pure mechanical action. This means it's always ready to go, offering a reliable solution for creating custom labels for gifts, scrapbooks, storage bins, or even just adding a personal touch to everyday items. The embossed labels themselves have a wonderful tactile quality that printed labels simply can't replicate, adding a layer of craftsmanship to any project. For those looking to declutter and organize, this vintage label maker is an invaluable tool. It encourages a more thoughtful approach to labeling, making the process itself enjoyable rather than a chore. Imagine perfectly labeled containers in the pantry, neatly identified files in the office, or custom tags for handmade crafts. The possibilities are truly endless. It's a fantastic way to bring order and a touch of retro style into one's life, proving that sometimes the simplest tools are indeed the most effective and satisfying to use. It's a testament to timeless design and practical utility, offering a unique blend of form and function that many will find irresistible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.